Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making spaghetti and garlic bread. I just made it home from work. And I just put my meat on here and my spaghetti is cooking over there. And this is the sauce I'm going to use. I like this. Okay. So when my ground beef get ready, and I will be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys. So I'm going to season my meat with just a little of this. That's the complete seasoning. And some no salt. Get it stirred. I'm going to put my stove off because I don't want my meat to dry off. Now we're just waiting for the spaghettis. To rock and roll. Okay. And I cook my spaghetti in olive oil. So I will be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, my spaghetti is all done. I'm about to add my meat. I'm gonna stir it around a little bit. Okay. Now I'm about to add my pasta sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a stir now, you guys. Oh, it smells so good already. I can smell the seasoning. So I'm finna incorporate this and add the rest of my sauce, and I will be right back. Okay, here's my spaghetti all incorporated, you guys. So I'm finna get ready to make my plate, and I will be back with my garlic toast. Hold on.